Hi, this is Fred Amir, author of Rapid Recovery from Back and Neck Pain and Vanquish Stress. In a previous video, I explained how following this very simple, easy protocol, I was able to reverse and cure many different conditions that I had, ranging from fatty liver, insomnia, heart palpitations, to many others. In this particular video, I want to focus on fatty liver. According to the world-renowned liver disease specialist, Dr. Ibrahim Hanoune of the Mayo Clinic and the Cleveland Clinic and co-author of Skinny Liver, if your liver is not functioning properly, if it's a fatty liver, it could affect the health of your brain, with your memory, with other health problems related to the brain. It can affect the health of your eyes. It can affect the health of your thyroid. If you have hypothyroidism, it could be related to what's going on with your liver. It can affect your heart health. It can affect your pancreas. It can affect your digestion. With the pancreas, we're also talking about effect on your blood sugar. If you have type 2 diabetes, it may be more related to your liver than your pancreas. It also affects your kidneys because liver and kidney work together. It can affect your sleep, it can affect your level of energy, and many aspects of your health. So it's very important to understand what's happening with your liver and understand why people get fatty liver and how to cure it. The way I discovered mine was one morning I woke up with severe pain on my right side. We thought it's appendicitis. My wife rushed me to the ER, did a CAT scan. They said, no, it's not appendicitis. However, you have a fatty liver. And I'd never heard that before. I'm like, I have a fatty liver? How do you get a fatty liver? Well, at that point, I had been on a high-fat diet for a few months. Before that, for 15 years, I was on a diet of whole grains, fruits and vegetables, and low-fat, lean cuts of meat. And I thought all that carbohydrates I'd eaten had turned into fat in my liver. And now that I was on a more of a keto, semi-keto diet, that should take care of that. Well, 8 years later, I had another scan done. This one was with the ultrasound, and the fatty liver was still there. I was surprised because during those 8 years, I had read up on fatty liver. The diet I was on appeared to be fine. I ate a lot of Brussels sprouts, cauliflowers, broccoli. I was eating a lot of eggs that had choline in it. That was supposed to help. And within all those 8 years, it hadn't made a difference. I had done intermittent fasting. I had fasted every one of those years, the month of Ramadan, which is 30 days of fasting. Still, I had a fatty liver. I was like, well, why isn't it gone away? But I figured I was on the right diet. It may be a matter of time before it happens. So why did I end up with a fatty liver? According to author of Liver Rescue, Anthony William, when you eat a lot of fat, your liver tries to protect your body from all this fat, protect your heart, protect your other organs. So it starts to take that fat in it in order to protect you. So if you're on a high-fat diet, whether it's keto or you just eat a lot of fat, and it says an epidemic because there are millions of people, last estimate I read was 30 million people in the United States have a fatty liver. And a fatty liver, the thing is, my blood tests were always normal. So you may have a fatty liver, you say, well, my liver and enzymes are fine. I don't think I have it. And by the time your enzymes may start showing abnormalities, sometimes that can be a little late. And realize that a fatty liver can lead to other liver problems and all the way to the cirrhosis of the liver and liver cancer. So talk to your doctor, have an ultrasound done. Hopefully you don't have a fatty liver. If you do, just watch the video I did earlier on how to cure a fatty liver. I hope this information was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video.